Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Clara Purnama. My step number is A2312030. I will explain the material about integers. Integers are groups or sets whose value are integers. Integers consist of whole numbers and negative integers. The set of integers is denoted by the letter Z. The letter Z comes from the word Zahlen or German, which means number. Counting operation on integers. A. Addition. Addition of the same type of integer will produce the same type of number. If the addition operation is performed with a positive integer, the result is a positive integer. The same is true for the addition of negative integer. In algebraic form, a plus b equals a plus b. Negative a plus negative b equals negative a plus b. Negative a plus b equals negative a plus b. A plus negative b equals a plus negative b. For example, number 1, 4 plus 3 equals 7. Number 2, negative 3 plus negative 2 equals negative 3 plus 2 equals negative 5. Number 3, negative 6 plus 2 equals negative 4. And the last number 4, 5 plus negative 2 equals 3. B. Subtraction. In the subtraction operation if the subtraction symbol meets the minus symbol, the result of the calculation will be added up. In algebra form, a minus b equals a plus negative b. A minus negative b equals a plus b. Negative a minus b, negative a minus negative b equals negative a plus b. Negative a minus b equals negative a plus negative b. For example, number 1, 6 minus 4 equals 6 plus negative 4 equals 2. Number 2, 9 minus negative 5 equals 9 plus 5 equals 14. Number 3, negative 3 minus negative 4 equals negative 3 plus 4 equals 1. And the last number 4, negative 1 minus 4 equals negative 1 plus negative 4 equals negative 5. E. Multiplication. Multiplication to positive integer will produce a positive integer. Meanwhile, multiplication to negative integer will produce a positive integer. Then if you multiply a positive integer by a negative integer, the result is a negative integer. In algebra form, a by b equals a by b. A by negative b equals negative a by b. Negative a by b equals negative a by b. Negative a by negative b equals a by b. For example, number 1, 5 by 6 equal 30. Number 2, 4 by negative 7 equal negative 4 by 7 equal negative 28. Number 3, negative 3 by 4 equal negative 3 by 4 equal negative 12. And the last number, negative 6 by negative 7 equal 6 by 7 equals 42. D. Distribution. Distribution by two positive integers will produce a positive integer, while dividing by two negative integers will produce a positive integer. Then, if you divide a positive integer by a negative integer, the result is a negative integer. Basically, the concept of counting integer operation is the same as multiplication counting operation. In algebra form, A for B equal A for B. Negative A for negative B equal A for B. A for negative B equal negative A for B. Negative A for B equal negative A for B. For example, number 1, 6 for 2 equal 3. Number 2, negative 4 equal negative 2 equal 4 equal 4 for 2 equal 2. Number 3, 8 for negative 4 equal negative 8 for 4 equal negative 2. And the last number, negative 10 for 2 equal negative 10 for 2 equal negative 5. Problems example number 1. The result of 24 minus 30 for negative 3 plus 8 is solution. 24 minus 30 for negative 3 plus 8 equal 24 minus negative 10 plus 8 equal 24 plus 10 plus 8 equal 42. Number 2. The result of 12 by 15 plus negative 10 for negative 6 minus 14 is solution. 12 by 15 plus negative 10 for negative 6 minus 14 equals 12 by 5 for negative 20 equals 60 for negative 20 equals negative 3. Number 3. The result of negative 10 minus 48 for negative 8 by 3 plus 14 is solution. Negative 10 minus 48 for negative 8 by 3 plus 14 equals negative 10 minus negative 6 by 3 plus 14 equals negative 10 minus negative 18 plus 14 equals 8 plus 14 equals 22. Number 4 or the last number, the result of 21 by negative 5 plus 11 for negative 9 minus 5 is solution. 21 by negative 5 plus 11 for negative 9. Negative 9 minus 5 equals 21 by 6 for negative 14 equals 126 for negative 14 equals negative 9. That was the material from me. Sorry if there is a wrong word. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.